So, good evening, all of you. Today, we are going to see a new tool called MySQL Workbench. So, what is MySQL? So, MySQL is a relational database application which will help you to manage all your data in an organized form. So, this data database we can use for the multiple purpose. We can use in big data and we can use in web application development, mobile application development, and so many. So today I'm going to show how do you create a database in MySQL, how do we open the database, then how do we create a table in MySQL, how do we insert the data in the MySQL, and how to view the data in the MySQL. So let us start with the first one. How do we create a database in MySQL? So before I begin, you open the Microsoft Workbench, you create a new query tab, you open it. Let us you start the database creation, create database. The database name is sample2. So now I am executing this query statement. You can refresh now. So there is another database you may have in your schema sample2. So in that sample2 I can use the sample2 by use sample2. This command will help you to open the database what you want to create. Under the database you can add more table as many as you want. Now you go to query. I'm going to copy this all the line from my previous query. Now I'm going to execute all together. As I can execute once again. Yes, the data is added in my table. So you can create a table by create table. The table name is customer. I have three field ID, name and mobile number. I'm going to insert the value, insert into the table name, the value what you want to insert, and finally I can see the answer in the table. So these four SQL statement, very basic SQL, you can use for your further learning purpose. For more videos, you can subscribe our